Look at this shot. The character design remains identifiable from the first frame to the last, and the lighting holds steady throughout the entire action. If you have experimented with AI video before, you have likely encountered the same frustrations: characters that shift their appearance mid-shot, melting background environments, and jarring jump cuts. These errors occur when the generation process is treated as a random gamble rather than a structured production pipeline. Today, we are going to build that pipeline. By following a specific sequence of planning, prompting, and audio layering, you can produce a 60-second short film that maintains its visual logic without wasting generation credits. The process begins in a text chatbot, where we establish the narrative spine of the project. Direct the AI to generate a shot-by-shot storyboard rather than a standard prose summary. The prompt must require numbered scenes, specific physical actions, and exact lines of dialogue for each character. With the script finished, we need to establish the visual rules for the cast before we render a single frame of video. Create a character reference sheet that displays your character from 3 distinct angles: the front, the side, and the back. This provides the AI with a complete geometric map of the design. We will upload this sheet into the video generator to serve as the visual anchor. It forces the AI to reference these specific facial features and outfit details in every subsequent shot. Skipping this pre-production phase often leads to the inconsistency trap, where the AI generates a different-looking person for every clip. Now we move to video generation. A common error here is the wall of text, where users enter long, descriptive paragraphs in an attempt to control the output. Most AI video models stop processing instructions after the first 150 to 250 words. Anything written after that point is frequently ignored. To stay within these technical limits, we use a structured 6-point prompting framework to maintain brevity. This framework starts by explicitly naming the subject, the specific action they are performing, and the environment where the scene takes place. The remaining 3 points define the camera angle, the artistic style, and any specific constraints, such as lighting or resolution. This structure ensures the AI processes every critical detail, yielding a predictable output that matches your storyboard. We begin the generation by uploading our character reference sheet alongside our formatted 6-point prompt. To preserve your generation credits, run your initial test at 480p resolution. Only upscale the clip to 1080p once you have confirmed that the low-resolution preview accurately reflects your instructions. The next challenge is maintaining continuity between shots, so the transition from one clip to the next feels intentional. We use a technique called video extension. By uploading the final frame of your previous clip as the starting point for your next one, you provide the AI with the exact context of the scene's current layout. This creates a visual link between separate generations, allowing the camera to move through a scene without the background shifting. Once the video clips are rendered, we address the audio. Discard the audio track generated by the video AI, as these tracks are often distorted. Take the dialogue from your original storyboard and run it through a dedicated AI voice generator. This produces clean, distinct tracks for every character in your film. You can then prompt an AI music generator to create an instrumental track that supports the emotional tone of the scene. Finally, bring all these elements into a video editor. Layer your muted video clips, the high-quality voiceovers, and background music on the timeline. You will need to manually shift the audio tracks to align the character's speech with the movements on screen. Building your audio in a dedicated editor removes the distortion common in raw AI generations. This manual assembly ensures the character's speech and the score work together to support the visuals. The final result shows how these techniques converge. The character design stays consistent across every scene, and the dialogue aligns with the on-screen performance. This outcome is achieved through 3 specific pillars: locking in visual rules, using a structured prompting framework, and isolating the audio assembly. This workflow allows you to produce narrative-driven scenes without the need for manual keyframe animation or a professional render farm. Use these exact steps to move beyond generating isolated clips and start building your own cohesive animated stories.